Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create this accordion slider using Framer without writing any single line of code. You will find the free remix link in the description. I'm Imran from Cycloto and let's get started. Create a project, then click this layer, desktop, click this layer to make it stack, draw a frame, name it container, again make it layout, set the width 1100, height 900, then scroll down, radius, make it 40, also change the fill color to white. Now click this desktop, set the fill color F5, F5, F5. Also you can add some padding here, click here, on top and bottom 40. We can also make it fit content, then click here, press T on your keyboard to add text, paste this text, select it, click here, change the font to Inter Display, scroll down, size 30, weight medium, letter -0.03, again add text, select it, font Inter Display, select both and wrap them in a stack by pressing Ctrl Alt Enter, name it text content, distribute, space between, select it and wrap them in a stack, name it headline, distribute, start, as for this, name it subheadline, change the fill to fixed, width 280, click here, change the width to fill, draw a frame, click here, direction vertical, press down arrow on keyboard to position at the bottom like this, set the width, fill, height 700, radius 40, make it layout, change the fill color to this color, right click on it, create component, name it accordion, also change the name to desktop. Inside this variant, draw a frame, set the width 300, height 600, radius 40, overflow hidden, make it layout, name it 1. Inside this tag, draw another frame, width, fill, height, fill, click this fill, image and upload our image. Now let's create our button, change the name to image, and now set the height 40. We will change the width later, just leave it like this, scroll down, change the color to this color, radius 20, make it layout, name it button, type this text, font Inter Display, change the color to white, again draw a frame, here width 30, height 30, radius 15, make it white, layout, drop it here, upload our icon, size 15, fill color, this color, name it icon. You can use Framer's plugin to add icon. Go to the plugin, browse all and search for icon, enter, and you can use any icon you'd like. Now click here, distribute, space between, add some padding, 10 on right, 10 on left, wrap this button in a stack, name it button and badge. Now draw a frame here, width 80, height 40, make it layout, remove its fill color, add border, white, radius 20. Now go to styles, filters, background blur, set the value 20, type this text, name it badge, collapse it and drop it here. Now click this button, set the width, fill, click this badge, again add some padding, 10 on right, 10 on left, perfect. Duplicate this layer, name it 2, click here, fill, change the image, click here. We locked the aspect ratio by mistake, so let's unlock it. Also from here, unlock it, then click here, set the width 150, expand it, click here, visible, no. Now click this button, distribute, center, also click here, this casual, change the name to neat. Next, duplicate this 3 more times and let's update the content. Now click here, create a variant, change the name to Dex2. We can collapse it, then click here with 150. Repeat this process. Visible, no. Click this button, distribute, center. Click here with 300. Expand it. Visible, yes. Click here, distribute, space between. Also we need to change the name here, so expand it, name it 3, 4, and finally 5. Next, create 3 more variants for these 3 images and repeat this process. Change the name to desk 3. As for this, desk 4, and finally desk 5. Change the background color here. And now go to the first variant, this variant, click here, then select the parent layer, this layer, then click this icon, drop it here, interaction, mouse enter, click here, select the parent layer, drop it here, interaction, mouse leave. Also click here, drop it here, interaction, mouse enter. As for this, mouse leave. Now let's preview our project to see how it looks. Perfect. Click here, this container, and add some padding. 40 on right, 40 on left. Yeah, now it looks good. We can add some gap here, maybe 40. Next, let's make it responsive. Double click on it, then click here. We can collapse it, name it tablet, set the width 630, height 650. On tablets and mobiles there's less space, so let's delete one card here. Click here, click the delete button. Now select it, set the width 250, zoom in a bit, radius make it 20, also here make it 20. Now click here, remove this interaction with 100, radius 20, repeat this. Click here, visible, no, then click this button, set the width, fit content, height, fit content, remove its padding, then add 5. Repeat this process here, set the visibility, no, then click this button, width, fit content, height, fit content, click here and add some padding, 5. Now create 3 more variants. Change the name here. Finally, tab 4. Click here, width 100. Then remove the badge button. Also make it invisible. Click this button, width, fit content, height, fit content, make it 5. Click here, this second image, width 250, button, then click this button, width, fill, again make it 0, then click here, set the padding 10 on right, 10 on left, click this badge, visible, yes. Maybe you can add some padding on top and bottom. Let's see. 5 on top, 5 on bottom. Now repeat this process here. Done. Now let's connect the navigation. Select the parent layer, drop it here, interaction, click. It's because on tablets and phones we can't hover because they are tab based, so make sure to use click instead. Click here, here, and drop it here. Also for this interaction, click. Now go to the variant 2, tab 2, click here, interaction, click. As for this, click. Now let's change the background color here. Alright, now let's give it a preview to see how it looks. Click here, breakpoints, tablet, then select the container, width 710, height, fit content. Now it looks perfect. Click our component. It's already selected tablet. If not, make sure to select the tablet. Now let's preview. Perfect. Finally, let's make the mobile version. Click here, change the name to phone, set the width 350. Now select the last one, scroll down, visible, no, click here, set the width 150, and as for this 80, remove it. Also here, click here and remove the badge. Now create 2 more variants. Change the name to phone 2. As for this, phone 3. Click here. Now here, width 80. Visible, no, button, width, fit content, height, fit content, and add some padding 5. Click here, then here, 150. Visible, yes. Click here, 5 on top, 5 on bottom. We can also change the value here for consistency. Set the height, fit content. Now give top 5, bottom 5. Perfect. Finally, for this, make it 80. Then remove the text. Click here, fit content, fit content. Give overall padding 5. Click here, set the width, scroll down, button, visible, yes. Click here, add padding, 5 on top, 5 on bottom. Also click here, change the color to this color. Now select it, change the color to this color. Now click here, these two, drop it here, interaction, click. As for this, drop it here, interaction, click. Drop it here, interaction, click. Finally for this, drop it here. Now let's preview one more time to see how it looks. Phone, width, fill, and click this text content, direction, vertical, distribute, center, and now click here, set the width, fit content, height, fit content. Also you can set the width 350 and click here, reduce the size. As for this, 14, distribute, center. As for this, width, fit content, and click here, align, center. Now let's preview to see how it looks. Yes, it's working perfectly, but as you can see, we have some spacing issue here. So let me see, click this component, maybe make it fixed, and now let's see. Yeah, it solves the problem. Take a little extra time to adjust the spacing and make everything look perfect. My goal was to show you how to create this accordion. If you made it this far, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And that's all for today. See you in the next video, inshallah.